Hey you guys, Jai Hind all of you. This is Amardeep and big welcome to all guys. Yes, this is Amardeep. Yes. Now let's start our daily connectivity. Connectivity in the sense of we regular connect. Yes, it means if we regular connect, clear. Uh, that is clear. One works I regular doing without any losing of time. Yes, in this time we are a learner, so uh, during this time i I assume sometimes like uh, like a knowledge increase. Yes, I mean our knowledge increase gradually, step by step. Yes, so I remember, I repeat again, I always think about it, and I regular work with consistency and non-violence. Yes, guys, we regular work about it. So can you imagine, can you imagine it's twice? Do you know what is the time important? Do you know what is the life important? Do you know what is the important of your goal? Yes, everything is on your mind. Yes, definitely. So now we talk about a particular topic today. like uh, like guys, first of all, i I talking about the current in the sense of what is going on in this time in our India and also in world level talking. Yes, because India level always, I know, I mean we all know about what is going on our India, our nation in this time, but also uh, we want to know about international level. I mean geopolitics, in like international level, what is going on in this time. Yes, so now let's talk about international levels. First news, guys. First news is uh, Bangladesh. There's two countries more circulated in this time. Like first is Bangladesh, sorry, first is Pakistan and second is Bangladesh. There, though both countries last around last 17 years. Yes, not 70, 50. Yes, 55 years. Yes, it's 1970, around 1971 to 2025. Yes, and guys, I ate in this time, in this particular time, in this time, guys, Bangladesh has no any permanent president or prime minister. Yes, Bangladesh in this time, I mean, 2014, not 14, sorry, 2024 to May 2025. May, this is the time of May. Yes, I mean 24th of May 2025. So in this time, guys, Bangladesh has no any permanent president or prime minister. Yes, there is a inner interim prime minister, Yunus, Yunus. What is Yunus is a person, paltu person, bad, bekar, non works person. Yes, nonsense. Yes, bloody basker. Yunus is a bloody basker. Also Sejab Sharif, क्या साहिब शरीफ, what is the name, what is the name with, I don't like this type of thoughts persons. Yes, so avoid it. Now both countries more jumping around, talking during India's topic. Yes, I mean related to India's topic. So upcoming days both are calculated, and first, I mean Pakistan has low. Yes, definitely after some time Bangladesh also very low. So both are both are complete. Now we're talking about USA. Yes, basically, guys, last 100 years. Yes, I mean 19s, during 90s, guys. That that time in essence, any sense, that time, guys, that times UK in the sense of Britain, France, Italy, Germany, their their countries is more 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 like controversy in the sense of like our होता है ना कि शासन करता है, वो शासन करता था पहले ब्रिटिश. यस, ब्रिटिश हेयर मोर वर्किंग, आई मीन मोर. What is going on, guys? I think you understand what I am saying. Okay, so guys, that time I my says, I mean I talking with you guys. मैं बोलना ये चाह रहा हूँ कि जैसे जैसे कि वो लोग करता था वैसे अभी अमेरिका कर रहा है. यस गाइस, एज लाइक डेफिनेटली 100% like Trump in this time. Yes, nonsense, very nonsense, bloody basket Trump also. Yes guys, I use this type of language because I am a citizen of India, and India is democrat. Yes, India also is a unique, different around all nations. India is unique. We are power of India. Yes, and our India is the first nation in this time. Nation is the first. Yes, Trump, if you watch this video, then you won. You won. I warn you. I warn to you. Don't interfere India. India's trade, India's everything. India's trade, India's security, India's travel agency, I mean India's everything, all around everything. Don't tell, don't interfere anyone. Okay, I I fully targeted you. Yes, think about it. Why I say this type of words use for you? Why? Because your mistake, not mine. You says many more times missed mis mismatch, misunderstanding, I mean misnews, nonsense news you circulated on X, on YouTube, on Google, on other social media platform. Yes, so think about it. In this time, friends is only one. I mean, our in history point of view, yes, one friends. Yes, India's one friend in this time, Russia. Yes, Russia, because he helps on 1970. Yes, 1970. Think about it. Why why I talking this type of language? I always respect Russia. Yes, because he is our friend. Yes, that time. I mean, if you know about what is your good friend and what is your bad friend, if you know about it, then definitely everything is going on fine, and definitely everything is positive way to connect with you. Yes, so this is fully and finally I again and again repeat, don't trust anyone without checking his background. Yes, first check your background, check you his background, like Trump's, Russia's, USA, Russia, and Germany, France, Italy. Guys, God always stay here. Yes, I I definitely talking it because in my point of view, last days, I mean, around, according to history, yes, according to history, that time, last 70 years, not 70, 50 or 20, yes, 70, 75, around 80, 80, 90 years, yes, around 100, मान लीजिए 100, yes, 100 years, Britain, France, Germany is fully depends on India. I mean, India's citizens, all the persons of India's like control UK's Britain government control India's all works. Britain and Russia, sorry, not Russia, sorry, big mistake, guys. Italy, France, Germany, that is, I mean, that is European Union all around, yes, in my point of view, European Union. And in this time, there is not many more power of European Union around India, yes. So think about it. If we positive, and we always positive, and we doing our best in every time, then definitely no anybody destroy our life, yes, our goal, our everything, yes. Remember it, what is I am going, I mean, what is I talking with you, what I talk with you. If you remember everything, then definitely, positive, yes. Okay, okay, guys, then see you after 22 hours. Okay, okay, guys, see you tomorrow on next video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद all of you guys.